Welcome to the BodyMaitre podcast, where we explore healing, self-discovery, and the wisdom of the four bodies: spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical. I'm your host, Darreck, and today we're diving into a fascinating topic in energy and consciousness work: soul programming in BodyMaitre and spiritual response therapy. What is soul programming? Imagine your soul as a vast, eternal consciousness that has traveled through countless lifetimes, gathering experiences, lessons, beliefs, and emotional imprints. All of these experiences, both uplifting and painful, will form what we call soul programming. It's like the software code running quietly in the background of your life. Some of these programs are positive, like love, compassion, creativity. Others, however, may be outdated or distorted, such as fear, guilt, unworthiness, or struggle. They shape how we think, feel, and react without us even realizing it. In SRT and BodyMaitre, we view the soul as a divine being that sometimes picks up energetic data from past lives, ancestral memory, or collective consciousness, data that can affect your present reality. How soul programs are formed. So where do these programs come from? They can be created by past life experiences, such as vows, trauma, or guilt. Family and ancestral patterns passed through generations. Emotional decisions made in moments of pain or fear. Even collective energies absorbed from society or culture. For example, if your soul once took a vow of poverty as a monk, that energy might still influence your relationship with money today. Or if you experience betrayal in a past life, your subconscious might carry a fear of trust or commitment now. Let's look at a few common examples many people carry. Unworthiness. Program. The belief, I'm not good enough. It often leads to self-sabotage or overworking to prove your value. Poverty program. The belief, I must struggle to survive. This can block the flow of abundance and prosperity. Control program. If I don't control everything, I'll get hurt. It often shows up as perfectionism or anxiety. Victim program. Life happens to me. This can keep you stuck in cycles of blame and helplessness. Each of these patterns is like an energetic loop repeating until it's recognized, understood, and cleared. How we clears these programs. In spiritual response therapy or BodyMaitre, the practitioner works with a pendulum and a series of Dowsing charts, guided by the angels, high self, and spirit team. Through this process, we identify negative or limiting programs stored in the soul records and clear them at their root cause. Once cleared, the program is replaced with divine truth, restoring harmony, clarity, and freedom in your energy field. It's not just about deleting something, it's about reprogramming your consciousness to align with your soul's higher blueprint: love, peace, joy, and abundance. Let's take an example from one of my clients. We'll call her Anna. Anna came to me feeling blocked in her career. No matter how much effort she put in, she couldn't move forward. Through the session, we discovered a past life vow of obedience, where she believed she must never outshine her master. That program carried into her current life as fear of success and visibility. After clearing the program and realigning her soul to the truth, with the idea of it's safe to shine and share my light, her energy shifted. We also work on her four bodies, not just shifting her soul, but also her lower four body system. After clearing, it's important to integrate new awareness through your four bodies. Spiritual body, reconnect with your divine light. Mental body, creating new programming that reflect truth and freedom. Emotional body, release stored emotions that no longer serve you and replace with recommended sets of emotions frequencies. Physical body, anchor new energy to the physical etheric fields. Healing is not only about clearing, it's about embodying the new vibration. That's how powerful clearing soul programming by combining shifting of our four bodies consciousness can be. Every soul carries programs, but none of them define who you are. You are not your past experiences, vows, or fears. You are a divine being of light, here to express love and consciousness through your human journey. Through awareness and energy work like SRT or BodyMaitre, you can release old programs and live from your authentic, empowered soul state. If you'd like to explore your own soul programming, visit bodymaitre.com or join our YouTube channel, the BodyMaitre Podcast, where we share case studies, dowsing tips, and spiritual clearing insights every week. Until next time, remember, you are the programmer of your soul's reality.